Hi everybody! Today we will make another Chinese dish that my family loves. It's the dumplings. These are truly delicious. I usually prepare this when we want to have light meals. There are so many ways of preparing dumplings. For us, I have prepared already pork and shrimps, fillings, beef, and chicken. At times I do fry them, but most of the time I steam them. And here are the ingredients. To the chicken, we add the cabbage, and then we add onions, the spring onions, then add the ginger. Here you can adjust it according to your taste. I would really love to have more ginger, but it's up to you. Add salt gradually. Add the soy sauce. Mix to combine the ingredients. Add black pepper. And finally, the sesame oil. Mix well until all ingredients are well combined. And now comes the fun part, which is wrapping the dumplings. Well, there are so many ways of wrapping them, but somehow I always stick to this because I really like it. Put 1 teaspoon of filling on the wrapper. You have to see that it's not too much, that you can still fold the wrapper easily. And there it is. It's quite easy, isn't it? I managed to make 34 pieces. Put about 1 tablespoon oil on the pan for frying. Make sure that the pan is not too hot, otherwise the dumplings will be burned, which happened to me many times. See to it that there's enough space in between them. Now add the water and flour mixture, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. As you can see, the bottom of the dumplings are golden brown. They are ready to be taken out of the pan. Do this for the rest of the dumplings that you want to fry. If your water and flour mixture is not enough, you can always make more. And there it is. It's just perfect golden brown. So the bottom is crispy. And now they're ready for serving. You can dip them in dumpling sauce. I know there's a lot of recipes out there, different ways of making it, different tastes, but I have tried myself 2 or 3, and I still prefer my ultimate dipping sauce, the soy sauce, and with lemon. And so with my family, they like it. I set aside, I think, about 10 pieces of the dumplings and I steam them. So we have 2 varieties, and it's also good. This dumpling I made with pork and shrimps filling and steamed. Why don't you try to make this and enjoy?